Hello everyone! Welcome to another video. Honestly, sorry if you're watching this on Christmas. I tried to have this video ready by Halloween, but that didn't happen. Anyway, happy Halloween everyone. So here I am sitting on my floor today, wearing my purple lenses because it's kind of spooky. And we have a special guest today. This little spider that I got from SHEIN. That is lovely. He's so cute. Look at those legs. So today I'm doing a decorative Sylvanian video. That's not really Halloween related. Little spider chilling in the back. So while I was in the store, I came across this box-like thingy. And it looks like a garden. And what a better place for all the little baby forest Sylvanians that we have. I also bought a bunch of stuff from SHEIN. Here I have my package here. Already opened it to make sure that's the right package. And I bought a lot of things to make this look like a garden actually. Surprisingly, they have some pretty cute miniature sets on SHEIN and I bought a bunch of them. I'm gonna try and put all the item codes down in the description in case anybody wants to get anything shown in this video, because trust me, there are very cute things. One of them being my favorite that's not gonna be included on this video is this little tiny sewing box. Look how tiny it is. Look how tiny it is. That's what I'm talking about. But can you see all those little things it has inside? Just lovely. I had to show you this. Okay, back into the video. Here I have my package. Here I have my garden. And the Sylvanians. So let's go. Let's open everything. So here I got some fake grass to put at the bottom to make it look like a garden, of course. So here I have some grass. Next, oh, this is gonna be messy. Okay, next I bought this kind of moss rocks to add into my little garden. I'm gonna give it like a fairy core vibe. Next, I bought these little mushrooms that I thought they were gonna be smaller, but they're not, but they're still cute. They will do their thing for sure. These, I thought they were going to be a lot smaller, but looks like they're not, but we can still work with them. And now on to my favorite little things. Are you ready? Look, there's a table with little wooden chairs. These are the chairs. And there's also a little table. Hold on. It looks amazing. And here are the little chairs. That they are also tiny, and they do give that fairy core vibe that I want, you know, from a little garden. Yeah. And the last thing I got, are you ready? Is another set of little chairs and the table. I love how tiny they are. They look pretty realistic. I'm gonna give you a closer look, of course. Come on. I'm gonna move everything to that table behind me and we're gonna see everything. So here I have all of my stuff. I opened some of them, obviously. Let's open the rest of them. Okay, these are made of foam. They are very detailed as well. I see a lot of green things inside this package, so I hope I don't create a mess with these. This is what they look like. They are also made of foam. These lanterns that turned out to be a little bigger than what I expected. But again, they look pretty detailed and very beautiful. They're also very lightweighted. And yeah, I'm kind of impressed, to be honest. These look so good. And the other one as well. The grass is greener on SHEIN. Hold on, that's... Ooh! You get 3 pieces of grass. Let's take a closer look. This looks so good. It's gonna do the thing for sure. So here's pretty much everything I got. Now let's put it together. I'm also very impressed by this little table. Look how detailed everything is. And the chairs, they look so tiny, but so cute. So now I'm gonna have to measure my grass so I can fit it inside this little box. So I'm gonna need my scissors for that. I'm going to use the back of it to measure and cut the grass to the shape that I want. And looks like I'm gonna be using 2. Here I have my 2 grass pieces already shaped. Let's put them inside of the box. Okay, now it looks better. It fits a little better. So here I moved everything onto my floor so you can see better. This is what it looks like with the grass inside. What I really love is that these moss rocks are made from the same material as the grass. Look how good it looks together. So yeah, let's figure out how to place everything inside and make it look like a garden. So I'm gonna start with this moss rocks, and I want to create a pile somewhere in the corner. So I'm thinking maybe here. I think it's good. And I also want to make a little corner as well, right here. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. And this is where I want to hide my little mushrooms. I'm gonna place them randomly right on the rocks. So yeah, they look pretty cute. Next, I want to put that little wooden table. Look how good it looks. So I'm thinking maybe placing it here in the center, and I'm gonna add those little chair thingies, the stools, the log stools. Hold on, I've got 2 more. So yeah, looking cute already. And on the other corner over there, I want to place this other table with those cute chairs right there. Yeah, it looks so good. Some more mushrooms maybe. Last but not least, these 2 lanterns. One over there and one here in the corner. And now it's time to add all the little Sylvanian babies. So I'm gonna place the little acorn twins right in the table in the middle. There they are on the table, so cute. Next, I have these little chocolate bunnies, and I'm gonna put them right there on the little chairs because they're the only ones that can fit in those chairs. Hold on, there. And my favorite Sylvanian of all times is this one, and I wanna place it right there in the back. So cute. Next, I have this little ladybug koalas that I wanna place on the table as well. Look, these little costumes. They look so cute. Okay. There they are. Look how cute it looks. Last but not least, we have the Mystery Sylvanian. Yeah, and I want to place him right over there. I'm also left with these lilies from the chocolate bunnies. So yeah, just place them randomly inside of the box. And here is how it's looking. This is what it looks like from up above. Moving downwards, we have those little babies sitting on the big table. Right in the back, we have the Mystery Sylvanian. And right there in the corner, we're having those little babies chit-chatting all together. And yeah, I can tell now it does look like a garden. So everything is now ready. Oh my god, I'm trying so hard not to drop anything. But yeah, here we have our little Sylvanian garden. I'm gonna place it slowly. So that's all I have for you guys today. Also, I would like some feedback. I'm using my new phone from now on to film my videos, and I believe the camera looks a little weird. I can tell that the colors look a little orange. I don't know how to fix that yet. But yeah, do you see any difference? Besides the colors, I mean, is it better? I'm really trying to make this work today. The weather is not weathering today. It's very cloudy. Normally, I use natural light for all my videos. I don't know. I also added a little lamp right in the back with a big Sylvanian house to give some depth and more of a cozy vibe since it's Halloween. And it's getting a little chilly outside, so yeah. I wanted to give a cozy vibe. If you like this video, please give it a like because it really helps me a lot. If you want more decorative videos, I have more on the way. I'm not even asking at this point. I really enjoy finding different miniature sets and putting them together to create basically a house. That's their living home over there. They live there now. To create little homes for Sylvanians, and I'm definitely gonna make more. If you don't like them, just get out of this video. No, please don't. Stay here. Let's make a family. Subscribe to this channel for more Sylvanian, Squishmallow, DIY, and decorative videos. And I will see you next time.